Today we will take a look at how to modify text on a pre-character basis using the Text Plus node. In DaVinci Resolve there are two nodes for working with text. First one is text. It allows you to enter text and change the size and color of selected parts. But its functionality is fairly limited. The second one is Text Plus. It offers much more advanced controls, but unlike regular text, you can directly change the size or color individual characters. Any changes affect the entire text. However, this limitation can be worked around. To do that, switch to the Fusion page. Right-click inside the text input field and select Characters Level Styling. Then go to the Modifiers tab. Now, to edit specific characters of part of the text, simply select them directly in a viewer. To learn even more about the capability of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.